Natural Dehumidifier Baking Soda. It can also be used for absorbing odor from your room. Keep this versatile element in your home to make it more comfortable. Can baking soda dehumidify your room? No wonder, baking soda is a versatile element of your home. One of the important uses of baking soda is as a natural dehumidifier. Using baking soda to absorb moisture. If you need to absorb the excess level of humidity from the air, you can follow this simple way. You can also use baking soda for absorbing moisture from carpets or other carpet-like surfaces. Best way to use baking soda as a dehumidifier. The best way to use baking soda as a dehumidifier is to place an open container of it in the room you want to dehumidify. You can also put baking soda in strategic places around your home, such as next to windows or in closets, where humidity levels tend to be higher.